Do you know how to make cash online? Yeah, that's right. All you need is a computer or a phone with web access. So in this video, I'm going to teach you 10 websites where you'll be able to genuinely begin making some side cash. Or if you're really good, you can make the big bucks. Isn't that amazing? On a few of these websites, you'll be able to make as much as $100 a day or more. And the best part is you don't have to stop your 9 to 5. You'll make this money working in your free time. On the web, there are two unmistakable ways of making money. First is dynamic money. With dynamic money salary, it's like your ordinary 9 to 5 job. You'll get paid for the work that you do. If you are not doing work, you don't make cash. It's as basic as that. The other strategy is passive income. This is my favorite strategy because with passive income, all you're doing is doing the work once and the money ought to keep rolling in without you having to do any more work. Well, at least in theory. Before we start this video, let us know in the comments below what ways you're already familiar with making money online. While you're down there, please hit the like button, sub button, and bell button. Let's get to the video. Number 1, Upwork.com. Upwork is a great site for freelancers. With Upwork, you're making passive and active income, depending on which jobs you take. Businesses and people post job listings on Upwork that they would like to outsource, such as article composing, video editing, app development, coding. There's tons of jobs and work being outsourced on Upwork. Essentially, whatever you're great at, you can find a way to make money on Upwork. If you're considering joining Upwork, be sure to have a profile page that is immaculate and will set you apart from the rest of the crowd. This will increase your chances of getting chosen from potential clients. Display your best work or highlight a particular project that will offer you assistance and make you stand out from the rest. Number 2, YouTube. Everyone doesn't know this, but you can actually make cash with YouTube. If you're considering getting into YouTube to gain cash, make sure you fully understand the barriers that are in place. If you're starting a YouTube channel from scratch, you would have to reach the YouTube barrier in order to get monetized, which means that you have to hit 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Once you hit that, then you can apply for monetization. But how much can you make on YouTube? Honestly, it's as much as you want. As long as you keep uploading great substance that individuals are willing to observe your brilliance, and the longer the video is, the more cash you'll be able to make. You'll make anywhere from $1 to thousands and indeed hundreds of thousands of dollars. The more success you get, the more cash you'll make and the more subscribers you get as well. With YouTube, what you're winning is passive income. Make a number of recordings and they should keep making you cash consistently. You can also make cash with YouTube through paid sponsorships, but with paid sponsorships, you will require a huge number of onlookers. More often than not, at least 10K subs to do that. You can too make cash through partners, but we'll get to that later. Number 3, Amazon. In spite of the fact that Jeff Bezos did begin off the company, offering books, Amazon presently offers anything you could think of. And there's 3 ways of how you can make money with Amazon. Number 1, MTurk. MTurk is likely, kind of like Upwork. It's where businesses post outsourced work that's troublesome for, let's say, computers to do, such as audio editing, translating, interpreting sound and video from diverse dialects, testing web pages, composing surveys, in an entire parcel of other services. You can make anywhere from $20 to $30 an hour by working on some distinctive tasks. This could be a legit way of making cash, and they do pay. This is a dynamic pay, though, or active pay. The biggest way is Amazon distributing ebooks. That's the second way. Turn your thoughts into an ebook and make money today. Each time you purchase an ebook from Amazon, Amazon and the distributor make cash, and you can too. The thing with encouraged distributing is you start with a book to sell. You can either compose this book yourself otherwise, or you can enlist somebody to compose it for you. You do not have to be an expert to do this. You can really do this from your home office and begin gaining passive income. Sounds magnificent, right? And the finest portion is it's completely free, so sign up and start making money. Amazon takes care of the money handling shenanigans, and you'll be able to sit back, relax on your couch while making some good old passive income. If you're truly inquisitive about distributing, I suggest you do more research on this topic. You can discover free recordings and instructional exercises right here on YouTube that will educate you the basics. If you need a master counselor, you should pay for a course. Some individuals make over $100,000 distributing ebooks on Amazon. The third way is Amazon Partners Program. This may be an exceptionally prevalent and simple way of winning passive income. All you're doing is sign up to the Amazon Partners Program, which is free. Then you'll be able to choose from thousands of stuff Amazon offers on their site and begin advancing. Amazon will deliver you an uncommon interface, and each time somebody buys through your connection, Amazon will allow you a commission anywhere from 5 to 10% of the sale. Amazon will pay you 60 days after a buy, and you'll be able to choose. You'll be paid either through gift cards, wire exchange, bank account. If you're outside of the US, then you'll get paid through checks, or you can have the cash exchange in your Amazon account and begin buying stuff with it. Number 4, Clickbank. Clickbank is a commercial center for items. Creators and associates form cash online purchases, offering their courses or administrations to the world. Clickbank, as it is now, offers computerized items. But the best part about Clickbank is that the commission payout is so much higher than that of Amazon. Some partners pay you as much as 75% for offering their products, where others pay as low as 5%. So keep that in mind. But with that said, you'll be able to make few truly good bucks with Clickbank. Hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Simply head over to Clickbank, choose something to deal, and begin making cash. Number 5, Flippa. Flippa.com is the #1 commercial center for buying and offering online businesses. It draws in a gigantic group of onlookers, and it offers awesome devices to extend perceivability. It sells off location similar to the likes of eBay, and for those offering and buying computerized resources such as websites, apps, spaces, Shopify stores, and Amazon FBA accounts. If you're good at making apps or indeed websites, you'll be able to really offer it online and make some money. However, in the case that you got some money just lying around and you're inquisitive about buying either websites, apps, or e-commerce stores that are already making cash, you'll be able to do that with Flippa. What happens is you put in an offer and try to be the highest bid. If you win the bid, then congrats, you have a new business. So that's Flippa for you. Shutterstock. Essentially, Shutterstock is a place where you can purchase or offer advanced media such as pictures, music, and video clips, mainly made by freelancers and third parties. So in case you may be particularly good at photography, taking astounding pictures and videos, or truly great at making royalty-free beats, you'll be able to monetize your ability on Shutterstock. The way you make cash with Shutterstock is every time somebody buys one of your pictures, you get paid a commission as little as a few cents to many dollars. In case you're lucky, the trick to making a bunch of cash with Shutterstock is to reliably keep uploading high quality images. Number 7, Rover. Do you like pets, dogs in particular? If so, at that point you should check out Rover. Rover can be a great place for dog lovers if you live in the United States, Canada. So in the event that you do live in any of those two nations, and at that point you'll be able to enroll as a canine sitter and get paid for looking after children's dogs. You can make anywhere from $80 to $100 a night a fare by observing somebody's dog. You can actually make hundreds of dollars a week by looking after a children's pet. Now, that's a cool job. Number 8, TakeLessons.com. TakeLessons is a website where you'll teach any skill. Everyone features a craft that they can educate, whether they're teaching somebody a language, how to cook, how to play a melodic instrument, how to eliminate complex math equations, and just so much more. Anything that you can think somebody else might not know, you'll educate individuals on TakeLessons.com and begin making cash. Number 9, Fiverr. I'm sure you've heard of Fiverr mentioned multiple times, since it's basic and a simple location to begin making money. But in the case that you haven't, basically it's an independent site where you can truly outsource anything, and I mean anything, as long as it's legal for as small as $5. There are a plethora of ways to earn cash on Fiverr. But you can do activities, single plan, building plan, web and mobile design, social media design, Photoshop editing, architecture and floor arranging, 3D models, product design, t-shirts, marketing, SEO, and so much more. If there's anything that can be outsourced, you'll be able to most likely discover it on Fiverr. Head over and check out Fiverr, folks. It's a legit way of making cash. Last but not least, dropshipping. Dropshipping, what you're basically doing is offering somebody else stuff without having to deal with the shipping. So fundamentally, you're acting like a broker or a middleman. You can do this by opening up a Shopify store, and after that, connecting it with Oberlo. Oberlo is essentially an app that works with Shopify, and it's what most people use to source stuff that they would like to offer on their stores. The fundamental guideline of dropping shipper is You make a store or any channel where people can purchase stuff from you. Then once they purchase something from you, you pay the manufacturer, usually for a portion less than what you got it for. And after that, have the producer dispatch it to the customer, all without you ever seeing or touching the product. The best portion of drop shipping is simply set your claim of the cost of the item that you want to offer, and at that point, take the benefits and pay the producer the rest. That's drop shipping summed up. If you're really curious about dropshipping, there's a ton of instructional videos here on YouTube. With that being said, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to watch our other videos about making money on this channel. Hit the like button, sub button, bell button. We'll see you next time.